Activating and assigning the licenses for your Poly Plus service grants you premium capabilities and Poly Lens. Start by going to the Poly Lens homepage at lens.poly.com. Then, navigate to Licensing under the Manage tab. Select Activate your licenses. Enter the activation key you received from Poly. You may enter more than one activation key by pressing the spacebar on your keyboard. Your activation keys will appear in the left column. Press Next to review your entitlements. Click Activate License. Your licenses are now activated. If you provided your hardware serial numbers when purchasing Poly Plus, you're done. We will automatically show your entitlements. If not, you need to assign your entitlements to devices. Select Assign your entitlements. Select your preferred method of assignment, automatic or manual. First, we'll walk through automatic assignment, which gives Poly Plus entitlements to the devices most recently onboarded. Here, we see a table of purchased, assigned, and available entitlements. Authorize by pressing Assign Entitlements. Your Poly Plus entitlements have now been assigned. Alternatively, you can choose Manual Entitlement Assignment, which allows you to select specific devices from your inventory. Select the models to assign to, then press Next. Now, select the specific devices. Press Next again. Assign licenses. Congratulations! Your entitlements have been assigned. For more information, please visit poly.com/plus.